How to fix Facebook keep crashing. In today's video I will show you guys wherever you are how to fix this on your Facebook. Just follow me in this video till the end. So let's start. So first you need to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly in the open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this, scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, now go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on first stop and click also OK. And what you should do now, guys, now you have to go to your Play Store, update your Facebook if it's not updated, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you next.